In this slide, we will explore 3 ways to use Terraform within Oracle Cloud Infrastructure, each with its own advantages and disadvantages. Let's dive in. The first option is running Terraform CLI or OpenTofu locally on your laptop. This gives you a full control over the Terraform setup and works offline for some preconfigurations. Additionally, it can be used not just for OCI, but also for other clouds, making it suitable for multi-cloud deployments. However, the downsides include requiring manual installation of Terraform or OpenTofu and configuration of access keys. You are also responsible for managing the state file. This option is covered in this course and will be used throughout the lesson. OCI Cloud Shell is the second option. It is a OCI console web-based terminal that is pre-installed and pre-configured with Terraform, ready to interact with your OCI tenancy. This removes the need for any local setup. A key advantage is that the state file can be integrated seamlessly with OCI Object Storage. On the downside, this option requires internet access and has limited compute resources, with session timeout being a constraint. This option is not covered in this course, but it is useful for quick experimentation or one-off tasks. And third option, OCI Resource Manager, which automates Terraform execution and manages the state file directly in the cloud. It integrates natively with OCI for orchestration and automation. This is a great option for managed Terraform workflows. However, it offers less flexibility compared to running Terraform CLI or OpenTofu locally, and there may be a learning curve for beginners. This option will be covered in this course. In summary, we will focus on local setup on your laptop or OCI Resource Manager. This is the beginning of our hands-on training. Let's move forward.